I've been a professional artist for the past 20 years of my life. One of the things that I've come to conclude is that I hate doing administrative work. 80% of my time goes into the stuff that I do not like doing, updating websites, documents, etc. Because what I really want to do is save time and devote it to what really matters to me, my artwork. As one of the founders of Kaleido, we've spoken to thousands of artists around the world just like you, and we all agree on the same. We're tired of having to maintain multiple websites and multiple applications. We want one super app where we post to one place and everything else falls into place. For the past 3 years, we've been working super hard to provide the best technology in the art world. And now we've come up with the best tools for you to thrive as an artist and to make your life easier. It's called MyStudio. It's the premium version of Kaleido. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the tools that we have, how to quickly launch a website, how to manage a link organizer, showrooms, documents, and much more. Remember, being an artist isn't easy, nor does it have to be difficult. It just requires a lot of effort, the right set of tools. And for that, we got Kaleido MyStudio. Let me show you. When you go into your dashboard, you're going to find MyStudio in the lower left corner. Let's start with my website, and I'll show you how easy it is to customize. In the left bar, I can select multiple menus. This one is the side menu, this one is the top menu, and this is the floating menu. I'm a fan of the side menu. In layout, I can select whether I want square tiles or masonry tiles. I can choose 2, 3, or 4 columns. I'm a fan of the three columns, so I'll go back to that. Down here, I can choose whether I want the information to be on top of the artwork or beneath the artwork. In theme, I can select whether I want a dark version or a light version. I like the light version better. In filters, I can select whether I want to show my series and my years. And finally, in artwork order, it's super easy to rearrange the order of my artworks. I can drag, or I can just simply alter this number. I can also select here 2, 3, or 4 columns. And launching your website is as simple as hitting publish. So let's go see it. Here's my clean, elegant, easy to launch portfolio, and notice how image dominant it is. I got all my artwork here with the information. I can select series, and I also have available years to filter. Over here is the About Me page, which has my statement. This gets also translated automatically. Has the galleries that I work with, a video presentation, and then my resume. You can also manage your resume in Kaleido. It's one of the really cool features that we designed to make your life easier. Here's the contact page. When anybody that lands in my website can contact me, this message goes directly to my email. My email is not displayed, so I don't get any spam. Here, people can subscribe to my newsletter, and you have 2 options here. You can either do automatic newsletters through Kaleido, or you can download the CSV file and put it in your MailChimp or whatever mail provider that you use to run your own newsletters. My website is easy to launch. It updates automatically with MyStudio. I don't have to worry about SEO. Kaleido does this automatically for me. I don't have to worry about plugins, updating stuff. I don't have to worry about hosting. I don't have to worry about all that stuff that I do not want to worry about. And the coolest thing is that my website is also part of a larger ecosystem that is making my life easier. If you have a website somewhere else, your website is just out there floating on the internet. The cool thing about building your website in Kaleido is that it is part of a larger ecosystem specifically designed for the art world. Let's go back to my dashboard. My BioLink. My BioLink is essentially Linktree, but specifically designed for artists. Let me show you how it looks. I have it personalized in my Instagram, and my problem is that some people land on my Instagram and they say, hey, Cesar, I would like to buy this painting. It so happens that this painting is not available. So what I have is my BioLink here, customized with my own domain, where people can click and what they see immediately are my available pieces. That's what I want. I want to draw their attention towards my available pieces. And then down here, I have all those links that are important to me. Editing my BioLink is super simple. It's as simple as going in here, putting the title, and pasting the URL. I just go over here, copy my link, and then put it on my social media. It's a really cool way of converting fans and followers into collectors. My BioLink is one of our most beautiful features, and if used correctly, the one ally you have to help you get more sales. Because it allows you to convert all your fans and followers from social media into potential collectors. Let me show you my showrooms. Showrooms is like a really cool way of giving a VIP treatment to your audience, galleries, collectors, if you're applying for a prize, stuff like that. Let me show you one that I built recently for a collector that wanted to negotiate. So I create my showroom here. I can put an expiration date and also protect it by password. In here, I can add the artworks and I can also change the order. In the commercial tab, it will ask me if the showroom has commercial purposes. This one in particular does. I select the currency in which I want to display it, and down here, I have put the discounted. This is a link that I send to my collectors. This is not a public link. Over here, I review the information and I create my showroom. And let me show you how it looks. I got my audio, which allows me to connect to my collectors.
Cesar Biojo is an existentialist painter who was born in Colombia, but established his career in Barcelona, Spain. Biojo's works are oil portraits created from pictorial resources that are destroyed immediately, leaving evidence behind.
I think you get the idea. Showrooms also tells you if you've received views, so it's telling me that it is working. The person that I sent it to has already seen it and probably shared it with somebody because it had 7 views. My documents. My documents is designed to automatically generate all those essential documents that you need in your artistic practice. Certificates of authenticity, labels, PDF brochure, contracts. There are many more documents that we're working on, invoices, like all the stuff that you need will be provided by Kaleido MyStudio, making our life easier. The certificates of authenticity that Kaleido automatically generates for you, they have a really cool augmented reality experience, which blows collectors' minds away. Let me show it to you. I mean, look at that. Could you want anything more professional for your collectors? This is going to blow their heads away. Not only that, in the back of the certificate, it shows dynamic content about your available pieces. The principle is simple. If they bought from you once, they're most likely to buy again. So this is a way of Kaleido helping you to sell more. And that same component of augmented reality, it also works on your artwork. You have information about the artist, the artwork, the audio, process imagery. Look at it. Beautiful. When I said Kaleido was on a mission to provide the best technology in the world, this is what I meant. In my subscribers, I manage people that have subscribed to my newsletter. Again, I can send it through Kaleido automatically, or I can download the CSV file and put it in my own mail provider like MailChimp and run my own campaign. And finally, analytics, which will tell you all those things that you need to know in order to make better and informed decisions. How many visitors are you getting, likes, etc. And that's my studio in a nutshell. We're working on a lot more features designed to make your life easier. The one super app that you need to manage all the stuff that it is tedious to manage. Remember, being an artist isn't easy, nor does it have to be difficult. It just requires a lot of effort and the right set of tools. Welcome to Kaleido. Join my studio.